Okay. Um,
सामने आ रही है?
आ रहे हैं आवाज में।
yeah. Yeah.
ओके
Mr. Ashish,
Yes, sir. All right.
I saw the order details. I think we'll have to take women's pant as a separate order,
Okay.
and even under women's pant there is SBJ101 and SBJ02. So
Yes.
SBJ01 will be a separate order, SBJ02 will be a separate order, SBK03 hoodie sweatshirt, these all will be separate orders. And then you have the set orders like top and bottom jogger set, and that will go as a multi-component order. That will go as a multi-component order. Only common thing is like all these orders have 100 pieces as total across. The pricing is individual pricing, no sir? Like you have separate price for hoodie, separate price for top and bottom jogger set, or is it like as a pack you are giving a price?
As a pair, we are giving price, but we can separate, no problem.
You can
We can
separate it, no, sir?
segregate
Because
that.
if we will separate it as separate orders in the system, make the BOM. Finally, you can club it together and make a combined packing list and combined invoice. You can make it.
Okay, my question is, suppose my buyer places an order
Mm-hmm.
as a combined, as I shared the sheet.
Okay.
Now, first step is we send them performer invoice.
Okay.
So on the performer invoice, upon confirmation, we proceed our order. Whether they give us advance or whatever, we'll see.
Okay.
Based on that, we release the production orders.
Okay.
So in this case, how do we generate a performer invoice for the buyer?
Okay. So performer invoice, there is a provision. Okay. Normally, do you get advance payments against the performer invoice, or like PI is sent for the purpose of confirmation?
So both.
Both, is it? Okay. I'll come to that. Now, when you get different combinations like this, your pricing, how do they give their purchase order? Their purchase order says, okay, top and bottom jogger set is this much price, women's hoodie is this much price, or would they club together and give a price?
No. Individual SKU is a price.
Individual SKU is a price. Then it's
Yeah,
better to.
individual color is also price. Yes, understandably, black and navy will cost the same. But for us, when we receive the purchase order,
Yeah.
they have individual barcodes and everything, item codes.
Yes.
And individually priced.
Okay, so excellent. So in that case, we'll have to book it as a separate order. Where there is some commonality, we can club it and book it as one order. Style-wise, each style is one order. And I'll show you how to make the performer invoice. Can you open the stage?
Yeah, stage is open.
No, sorry. Okay, I'm seeing my screen. Yeah, stage is open. Okay, so after we book the order, shipping module, we have something called performer invoice.
This is only in export or it's available in domestic also?
I think we can use it for domestic as well. You can select type as domestic, and then you have to choose the buyer here, and then attach the buyer's PO or the order details here, and then generate the PI printout. Can we make this entry, or we'll do
Yes.
the orders?
Okay.
Yeah. Can you give tab? Please use tab. Buyer also. Okay. Okay, here, before going into this, in the address module, we'll have to create the bank, our bank as well as the buyer's bank.
Okay.
Can you minimize this or close this and go to the address module?
You have to exit?
Yeah, please exit. I mean, of course, we are doing this in the test database, so we'll have to replicate all this work in the main database also. Address, add. So, okay, type the bank name like State Bank of India or HDFC. Okay, abbreviation also HDFC. Location Ludhiana. No, you can select as bank here. Bank. Location Ludhiana. Okay, that's it. Does the bank have a GST? I don't think. I think it.
Yes. Right now we can do unregistered, right?
No, and just so it doesn't matter. Okay, so that's it. Click OK to save. You have to create. I mean, the buyer's bank as well. Like, please click OK. Oh, no, country is India. Yeah, that's it. Then click OK. First country. It's selected unregistered. No?
आ जाऊंगा
1 minute, sir. Click OK.
कोई नहीं मैं कर दूंगा
Address. Please go to M address at the top. Select Punjab. Yeah, back to
Insert.
No insert. If you have selected the maybe select Punjab here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Back to address. Click OK. Yes.
ये अंकित कौन देगा अंकित बावली का देगा ये स्टॉक
राजमाला है ना राजमाला है ना इसका स्टॉक नो कलर बेस
Okay. We will go back to shipping exports.
जो बॉन्डेड वाले हैं ठीक है
उसको बनाओ
Shipping export.
ये टेक्सटाइल वाला जो ऑर्डर किया है 260 किलो
Add
260 किलो कलर नहीं मिलेगा
मैंने अप्रूवल कराई है नेवी जो पीवी वाला था और एक एंथ्रामिलांस
ठीक है क्या पेगा
उस समय तो 360 दिया था वो आज जाके 15-20 दिन महीने बाद कंफर्म किया
385 से 410 है
एंथ्रामिलांस तो धागा मंगा लेंगे 30 सिंगल ठीक है और ये पीवी वाला नेवी मैंने पास करा लिया था मेरे पास एंथ्रामिलांस कोई पुराना पड़ा था वो पास करा लिया था पीछे पॉलिस्टर सेम कलर मिल जाएगा कि ब्लैक ही लगाएंगे ब्लैक ही लगाएंगे ना अगर 410 एग्री करता तो फिर एडवांस डलवा लो
ये कहाँ से टाइप करा था HO21 SBPL1
नहीं
ये पीओ है
ये कहाँ से उठाया था
पीओ है
हेलो
yeah.
Sir, how did you get this HO21 SBPL? You typed it or you got it from?
That is system generated number.
परफॉर्मेंस वाइज
Okay, this is unique number.
Unique number, yes.
Generate किया.
नहीं
कुछ आंखों में लग रहा है क्या
नहीं
ये नंबर तो अपने आप जनरेट होता है
हाँ
पीओ का भी अपने आप ही होता है
प्राइमरी की टाइप हेलो बढ़िया सुनाओ हाँ जी
ऐसे सब समझ आता है जब करने में तो कुछ नहीं होता
हाँ पता नहीं लिखा था मैं अरे कोई ना, जो है तो वो चलेगी। तो मतलब जो हैगा ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਭੇਜ ਦੇਣੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ फिलहाल। ठीक है। बस ठीक है। बाय। Terms.
These are all random entries.
Now what?
So I clicked on insert button,
Yeah,
so it opens up and lists all the orders related to.
मुझे ठीक नहीं लगवाई आपने जी।
क्या हो गया?
देखो तो सही आगे धागे कैसे चलेंगे।
मैं आता हूँ। जैसे
मेरा देखा नहीं वहाँ।
परफॉर्मा इनवॉइस बन रही है।
1 second. One breaks.
इनको इतना टाइम लगेगा हर जगह से बनाने के लिए, जगह नहीं हो।
नहीं, ये बना होगा इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें सब सिलेक्शन में आएगा। अच्छा, और ड्रेस फॉर्मेट से अभी हमारे पास प्रॉपरली डेटा नहीं है, जो है वो ही है, उसको एडिट में जाएगा। किसी का नहीं हुआ उसमें हमें द्वारा बताना।
क्या हुआ? नहीं वो अभी there अभी हुआ नहीं ना।
नहीं अभी नहीं, वही पे
अपने आप ही कर रहे हैं।
एरर आई जा रहा है।
Isn't it you were creating pro forma invoice for domestic order and exports module?
Yeah, but yeah, that's the option is like you can choose the export order or the domestic order. One moment. Leave the parameters. I'm getting an error while doing the pro forma invoice. Basically, this is what
Can you try with the domestic one?
No, in the domestic we don't have a pro forma invoice. You can see in the domestic, it's directly the invoice transaction. Okay, I'll check and come back to you on this. Like this pro forma invoice, it's giving an error. For the moment, this is the most preferable pro forma invoice to integrate with accounts. There is another provision in order module tools. We call it sales confirmation, which is similar to pro forma invoice. I'll just show you this as well. Mr. Shivam, can you take the controls and type in these details?
टैब बैंक टैब सिलेक्शन करके
Yeah, type some number. Tab. Yeah, pieces. Yes. INR. Okay, I can skip that. You can top domestic. You can choose the button domestic. Here. Here you can say by road or
insert select
F6.
F6
Just type D.
आई हुई
I think these are not required. You can directly click on the next button. Yeah, click on insert.
insert
Select one or two
How
buyers.
is this coming? Okay, this is buyer specific.
Yeah, buyer specific. We have selected Bondress as the buyer, so that buyer's PO alone will list.
So, okay. Now the problem is, normally what happens is, we have an article.
Okay.
So buyer wants to place an order on it.
Okay.
So the first process is we send them pro forma invoice.
Oh.
We have item created.
Okay.
We send them pro forma invoice. So once they confirm, we go to that stage of creating a MRP.
No. So in that case, there is no confirmed order as yet. Like after the PI is confirmed, then only you book the order.
Okay. So in that case, what we can do is we can create items there.
Sorry, items. We'll have to anyhow book an order. Like it could be an inquiry order, and or we can create a domestic order, but not do the MRP and do the PI. Once it is confirmed, then we can do the MRP for it.
MRP means we will do the modifications.
Yes.
Modify option will be there.
Yes. But it's more like a submission of quote to the buyer, is it not?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyhow, you have to give a PI. Mm,
Okay. So let's press select all.
yes, sir. Select all. Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, click OK. We had error there.
It's the same error there.
Same error. So can you just hold on a moment? I'll just take a picture. Mr. Ashish, I will check with my team and then come back to you tomorrow regarding this. Maybe
Okay.
there is some parameter or configuration that I'm missing here. We'll say select the, I mean, we'll do that and then.
Okay. We can close this right
Yeah,
now for
please
now.
close this. So far as the order details you have sent, we need to book it as separate orders like multi-component. Can we do a multi-component order now?
Yes.
We will do it for one of the sets. Like let's say we'll take the women's top and bottom jogger set.
Okay.
Maybe if you can take controls, I'll just guide you how to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, please choose domicile. Receive date, current date or previous dates. Fabric should be knitted. Fabric is mandatory. Sets, right? Tab. Quantity 100. Okay. Indian rupee. Number of sizes. Item you can choose as it's like a set, is it not? Jogger, you can say jogger set item. Okay, jogger. No, we need to insert each individual part. Like you have to say the pants separately and the shirt, I mean top part separately. Bottom SB01 or whatever. Insert. Top. Same thing. 06 knitted. Okay. Okay. Ship in cartons or pieces. No. Okay. Now you can enter. Tab. No, you take it as woman's pant only. That. So this is the price for the set, is it? Small quantity. Please select the component. Component here as woman's pant. Take it to the here. No, not the top. No, select it as woman's pant because if you have separate price for the bottom and top, then you can select as separately. Otherwise, you can take it as woman's pant.
Suppose we have a separate price, then we can take one of those,
Yes,
right?
yes. If you have common price for the set, then you can.
Let's do this.
Here you have to change it to top. Next row.
That's
One moment. No, maybe here. One moment.
we were not typing.
Please hold on. Please hold on. I think we need to complete this entry here. We can change it. Ship date is, say, I'll take it 20th. Okay. One moment. Please select the stop here then. Okay. So accordingly, you can change the price.
Yes, this is changed. Now, bottom.
JA आएगा
Hmm?
JA
Oh,
Can we give price for the bottom here? No. Can you please enter the shipment date here? Is it?
no, it's not working.
Please hold on. Oh. So if you don't mind, let me just delete this. So both will take the same apartment. You can enter it here.
हाँ जी गया होगा करता हूँ 9 बजे फोन
The size ratio is it? Yeah, please type the quantity.
अजय जो उसका अपना निशु को भेजने हैं, ड्राइवर का भेजना क्या है?
ड्राइवर के साथ आप चले जाओ, कुछ भेज देना उसको।
तो कहाँ पहुँचाने को?
वो वहाँ पे निशु का नंबर दे देता हूँ, बात कर लीजिए।
ऑन साइड छोड़ के आएगा मतलब?
हाँ, छोड़ा है उसको।
तो गिनती विनती करनी उसके क्या है पैसे?
पता नहीं, बंडल लगाए हुए उन्होंने क्या किया।
गिनती करके चलान आगे जाना ना।
हाँ, पहले पता 54 कल के तो लिखे हुए हैं, आज के लिख लेंगे, चाहे गेट पे लिख लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
अपने गाड़ी में जाना है ना, उसके लिए गाड़ी आई?
नहीं,
आ जाएगा गाड़ी में माल,
जितना आता ले जाओ, बाकी मैं ले आऊंगा।
सीट पे रखा लगेगा।
मुझे सीटों का सही देना है तो कहाँ पे लिखा था वो रह गया, पता नहीं। ऊपर वाली सीटें, एमएस की सीटों का कहाँ पेपर कहाँ पे पड़ा, पता है? Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, is it only 100 sets or you have 400 sets?
16 फुट 14.5
30
ये 20 और ये ट्रांसपेरेंट फाइबर है ना, 16 की 4 और इसकी भी 4, 14 की 4।
ठीक है, ये लगा दो, इसी में लगा दो बस, ये सॉरी। Okay, what is now? यार एक स्पीकर ले लें यहाँ से, पड़ेंगे वो लगा के इजी हो जाए, सुन भी जाएंगे, चलता रहना ही, ये तो लंबा चलना अभी। तो 500-600 रुपये ले जाना, वो जाते हुए ले लेना उस सेट से। नहीं पे रहते हैं, यहाँ पे आते हैं।
मैं तो यहीं रहता हूँ, बीरबल चौक।
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So, I was asking, you have 100 sets here in this assortment, but totally
Yes.
you have 400 sets.
Oh, okay, that colorways. Now we have to add a new colorway here.
Okay, then you can. Are all the colorways sent on the same date or dispatched on different dates?
Okay, it's different date.
Okay, then we can do one thing. We can press. I have put the focus here in the first row in the buyer pair number. Press Ctrl R. So it will just copy the buyer POs with the same sizes, colors, and also quantities. Click OK. So one more copy has been made. Okay. Now I'm clicking OK to this. So since we can't have identical copies, maybe the buyer PO number or the color or the destination should change or the date should change. Ship date can change. I click OK. So here I change the ship date as, let us say, 15th December or something like that. Okay. So 15th December. And here I can go and change the colors. This black and white is already available under the first PO. I'm assuming it's the same PO. Which is sent on a different date. Let's say the earlier one was 30th. Let's say it is sent one week later. So I've taken it as 7th December. So here I can change color, different colorway. So that
so
one
we can write navy mustard here.
Yes, navy.
उधर टाइप करना।
हाँ जी, बोलिए।
Yeah. If you want to add one more color on the same date, you can press Ctrl R.
जो कल आप लेके गए थे,
चलान बनेगा।
कंट्रोल आर
दर्शन जी
अगर और करना है तो
Hmm?
अगर और
Okay. Maybe here you have to increase it to 200 here. 1 second. Okay. Now you can press Control R.
कंट्रोल आर प्रेस करूंगा
Okay. Now you can change this color. So this 7th December shipment has 2 colors, navy mustard and one more color.
नीचे आए ना इन्फॉर्मेशन चेंज आई जब कंट्रोल आर करके किया तो नीचे इन्फॉर्मेशन चेंज
No.
अपने स्टाइल के हिसाब से बनता है।
Navy mustard and
One more color. You can
white made navy mustard and 2.
Yeah, system has named it. You can edit that. Maybe it is black and white or it is some other color. Okay. So this accounts for 300 sets
Why so?
because
Buyer order quantity was
200. For this I have made it as 200. For the earlier one,
इसमें
it is only
जैसे
100,
वर्ड्स आ रहा है
which is black.
तरह भी देखा है इसको।
So you can say this assortment 1
ये वाला भी तो इस तरह नहीं हुआ भी।
and this assortment 2. So assortment 1 is 100 sets, or you can make it 200 as well. Assortment 2 is
अभी क्या रोक के पहले ये चेक ठीक करें
assortment 2 is 2 colors, 200 sets. Yeah, please take control. Maybe
No. First was 100.
no. First is only 100. It's a set. You see, we took it as top and bottom. Together it is 100.
Okay.
Top and we did not take it as women's pants. If it was women's pants, only one row will be there. Here again, we have taken it as top and bottom.
Okay, so now it is top and bottom, black and white.
Top and bottom, black and white. Maybe black and white we have already mentioned in the first assortment. You can give a different color here.
नेवी वाइट की
No, first assortment was
Black dash white.
This is confusing now. Now what it's showing here? Okay, one second.
Can you leave control? I will just explain again.
Yeah.
So first we create an assortment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just named the assortment as assortment 1. Okay. So it was here we have split the assortment into 2 rows, top and bottom.
Okay.
Okay. I'm assuming maybe top is 400 rupees. Okay. And bottom is
380 rupees.
380 rupees. So that's why it is taken
Okay, this is
together.
clear. Yeah.
It's a set, so it will have 2 rows, top and bottom. Okay. And together they have one colorway, black white, which is 100 sets.
Right.
Okay. Suppose I want one more colorway here in this assortment. I will make this as 200. Okay. And here I can add one more color. Control R. So it makes a copy of the color. So let us say navy white is another color here. Navy dash white. Okay. So I have 2 colors in this first assortment, and together they constitute 200 sets. Okay.
Right.
My second assortment is assortment number 2. I click. This again, both the rows will get highlighted. This again is a top and bottom combo. Here I have navy mustard is one combo. Maybe the second color I need some other, the fourth color with.
नेवी वाइट
Okay. Let's say navy white.
No, navy white we already selected earlier. So 4
No,
colors.
that was black and white.
No, that was black and white and navy white. I've added what was there.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, if it is navy sky, so put together, when I go to the summary page, let's say yes. So it has black, white, navy mustard, and navy sky.
जब भी है ना तेरा दोनों सेट
So these are the total colors you have,
Okay.
right? So black, white, and navy white, we had it in one assortment. Navy white and navy sky, we had it in another assortment. So all these colors sets, like you have top, you have a bottom.
Okay.
Okay, so this is okay. You can,
And we go to the yarns now.
yeah, 1 second.
Yeah.
Yeah, 200. Yes, yes. Okay, now you can click OK. This order will get saved. So this order is B3. So we've booked the order. Let's go to MRP, process selection, and your UID, Mr. Ashish. Awesome.
Which one? That was MER one. What is this?
So this is D3. 1 second, let me check. We should list here. It's not listed. 5. Date range. 1021. Okay. Okay.
No, this is the order, right?
Yeah, this is the order D3. So you can double click. So between material purchase and production, if you are starting with one, then add yarn process like knitting or yarn dyeing, or fabric process like fabric dyeing, and then create the process route. So fabric dye or okay, what is it? It's allowed in purchase.
Yes.
Okay, so put it in the same sequence. Unity to that.
सीक्वेंस बनाओ इसका भी.
So purchase, then knitting, then washing and centering, then decatting, then centering, and then production. Okay, fine. And then here, 1 second, sir. Normally in options, okay, options, it's all checked. Okay, and production is done color-wise. Component production is done color-wise and component-wise. Like you have separate components will be produced in separate lines. It's not in the same line. So you need to say component is also yes. Click OK. And one more thing, please save this. We need to add one more process here. Let us do this first.
Error.
Error.
पहले तो इतनी वो चीजें ली ही नहीं थी, 3-4 ही ली थी, निटिंग, डाइंग और वो.
तो ट्रायल में देखो शुरू किया था, उसके बाद मैंने बनाया ये एक्चुअली करना है. इसमें क्या होगा कि आपने फैब्रिकेटर से माल उठाया, फॉर एग्जांपल अभी बारह माल उठा के करते हैं ना, हर के अलग अलग पीओ बनाते हैं, इसमें एक ही बार में पीओ बना देना, साइड पे करते हैं.
बैठ के नहीं रहा सकती,
खड़े होके नहीं आ रही।
खड़े होकर ठीक है, कंसंट्रेशन बनी रहती है। ये यूजर भी तो आपने बना दिए थे, ये आपने बताया ना।
बनाया है, मेयर वन बनाया हुआ है,
एक ही बनाया बस अभी।
बनाया हुआ है, 2 बने हुए हैं,
पासवर्ड
1 2 3 है। अभी तो इसी पर ट्रेनिंग ले लो ना, उसमें फीचर्स नहीं होंगे, फिर बार बार ऐड करवाओ। जब बस्ती यूजर्स पे आएगा फिर करवा लेगा। क्या बस गया?
प्रोसेस सिलेक्शन में डेटा निकल के नहीं आ रहा है, रिट्रीव नहीं हो रहा। Is there any error in the system? Why it is not showing the process selection?
Yeah, actually, I don't know why it's not showing process selection.
Information retrieving. नहीं, simultaneously हमारे 5 यूजर हैं।
1 minute.
5 से ज़्यादा नहीं चलेंगे।
5. Okay. Why every time it's asking for the date range? Anyway, I'll just have a look at it here. Production. I've come to the supervisor login primarily to create another process. Insert. This is a garment.
This we have done, right?
Sorry?
This we have done. We have already created.
We already done. I'm doing one more process, which is polypacking or
Packing.
yeah. We need this process so that two components can be combined as a single set. So I've created a process as polypacking or polybag packing, and for this process we are saying garment knitted and garment woven. Raw materials also will be garment knitted or garment woven. Yes, fine. So there's no change. So in our process selection, modify. So I'm just adding polypacking. Okay. And here in options, polypacking will be done color wise. It will not be done component wise. So that when it comes to polypacking, it will become a set. So in production, it will be treated as separate components. Whereas when it comes to polypacking, it would be color wise individual SKU, but component wise, it will not be an SKU. Are you able to follow this?
Yes, but how did this option came up? We have to select a tick there, right?
No, this one here under
Okay.
options.
Okay.
Okay,
But for that we have to create a tick here, right?
No, anything production and post production, you can put it as a tick mark.
Yeah, production earlier. हाँ जी अमित जी, गुड इवनिंग। हाँ जी, बस बढ़िया, आप सुनाइए। मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में फोन करूँ, एक कोई कॉल चल रही है, मैं आपको 15-20 मिनट में कॉल करता हूँ।
हाँ जी।
Okay, you can continue now.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, earlier this was not tick. We were ticking only production. Now we have tick polypacking. Now it gives us options to choose component or what.
Component, yes. This
Okay, one second.
sorry,
If
even
we
without
do
tick
it,
mark, you will get
washing,
that.
centering also tick. We cannot tick washing, centering also, right?
Yeah.
तो आप ही मंगा के देते थे कोई।
See, material purchase, production, and any garment process can be, you can put a tick mark. For the fabric process,
तो
Unless it is a fabric order, you can't put a tick mark.
तो पोलिस्टर दे रहा है हाँ
No. See, production is by default.
By default, yes.
So, okay, garment washing we have not included. Okay, supposedly we do this. Now,
Yeah, it
this
is.
also can be done.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So we have these processes: metal purchase, fabric knitting, decatizing, centering, production, and the polypacking. So even without this tick mark, it will still list in the options.
Okay.
Why?
Yeah, if you put a tick mark, you have the option like whether it has to be generated component wise. Color, you can say color wise no, but color wise no will be like gray fabric or PFT, like prepare for dyeing. So we will always say, put a tick mark and say color wise, yes, it has to be generated. Each color will be an SKU. Component wise, no. The idea is we are putting the tick mark to indicate that it is a buyer's requirement. What we say as buyer's requirement is the order quantity. In our order module, we have booked 400 sets. So system will understand at the end of production, we are supposed to get 400 sets of 4 colorways. Okay. Similarly for polypacking. So that is the benchmark based on which all our allowance calculation, raw material calculation will happen.
Okay.
So we'll save this. Do you follow any date formats like MMDDYY or DDMMYYY?
It's DDMMYY.
Okay, fine. I don't know why it is staying under here. You already saved this. Yes. It's okay. It's all got saved. Okay, fine. So process selection is done. Then we do the specifications. Please proceed. I'll just show you like for the components how it has to be done. Oh, still not low. Press F5. 2, 3. Yeah, please insert a fabric. Items from item master.
Items.
Fabric knitted OPWR. F6. Okay.
Set. हो गया. Colors में choose कर.
Okay, here you can choose which is it the top part, top all position. Yes, component you can choose, and which part of the So this is the fabric color. You can decide what is the fabric color.
Okay.
So you need to select the position also.
If we are not selecting that position, then what will happen?
No, so you will not be able to save it. You need to identify which part of the garment this fabric is used. That is very important when you do prepare the bundling. So you'll have to say this is the top shell position or all position. This is the bottom all position. So position is important.
बैठ जाओ कोई बात नहीं चेयर उषा चेयर ला दो जरा यहाँ पे ये गायब हो गए ना तो they have gone somewhere there were PG 32 options were there
Sorry.
okay could we choose anything or it's like selected or
No, already 2 fabrics have been selected. We'll close the screen. The mistake here is the position for this has not been selected. See, here you need to select. Let's say this is for the top garment or bottom garment.
this is top all positions it's same
All position, and then here you'll have to choose top. Top. Okay. So this fabric is identified for all position top. Click OK. Then here this one.
all
Again, all position. No, this press F6.
Add करना पड़ेगा और F and F6.
F6. Here you can insert. Click insert. Please type all position bottom.
टाइप करना पड़ेगा.
So all position we can't treat this for both top and bottom equally. So it has to be all position bottom. Okay. Close. Yeah. Here you can all position bottom.
बस ठीक है ये साइड में कंपोनेंट में चूज करवा
Click here. Double click here. Yes. So that's
फैब्रिक कलर
black gray. Okay.
ऊपर भी सेम ही है नीचे भी सेम ही
टॉप
Same है
बॉटम
ना?
सेम है ना.
ओके
Yeah. Now for these 2 fabrics you can proceed with the yarn. No, you have not inserted the yarn. Please go to fabric. Top first top. Yeah, correct. So you are first inserting the yarn to the second fabric. Right. Then you can focus on the first one, first row. Then you can insert. Here you can use the current fabric option. Click current fabric. So for the second fabric, you already taken the yarn. So for the first fabric, please insert the fabric yarn again. Okay, done. So single yarn for each fabric. Oh, you have 2 yarns.
3 yarns are there
3 yarns. Okay, fine. For one fabric or both fabrics combined 3 yarns? Okay. Insert again. So the balance 500. Oh, 400. Okay.
so two colors 400 each and the remaining would be 200 right
So it will be okay. In case top one should be 800. Correct. This should be 200. Okay. This one yarn is not selected. Okay. So we go to fabric consumption. Enter the grammage. Right click and copy.
365.
Save.
Okay. No, we have to identify the yarn color. This one yarn color. Now, so you have yarn 1, yarn 2. Okay. So all position bottom, there is only one yarn. So what is the yarn color?
All positions, the yarns are same.
तो फिर वहाँ पे
Yarn is same. Okay. What is the color? Is it black white yarn or
Black yarn. Black.
Black yarn. Okay, that's for the bottom. And this one is for the top.
bottom also.
3 yarn.
Yeah, like all position top, same should be all position bottom. 3 plus 3.
So then we'll have to go back to the fabric. See, here for the first fabric, we have given 2 yarns, which is 3 yarns, 2 of the same color, so 2 of the different colors and one different yarn.
Yes.
And for the second fabric, then you can see the hand indication. The second fabric, we have inserted only one yarn, 1000 cases directly. So here you have edited like 800 and 200. Insert.
कलर भी चेंज
Right. Now we can go to yarn color. So you can view the respective colors for yarn. So all position bottom, polyester spandex is what color? And then all position bottom, these 2 yarns. No, navy white we don't need to give because we have not chosen the navy white.
Here we have to enter 1 or what?
No, this is for yarn purchase allowances, rejection loss.
RJ loss.
So first row will be gauge. So first row, the all first row, that should be great. Great, yeah. Then go to consumption and check the damage there. Fabric consumption, this is okay. Fabric color. So colored yarn we are knitting it, so it will be black white and so both are black white, right?
Yes.
Top and bottom. That's it. So,
Like
okay. Now
we can save it for now.
we have done it only for the black and white color. So we did not do it for navy white, navy mustard, navy sky.
Okay. No, okay. No, okay. No, okay. No, okay. How do we? Have to click item, same process.
it's saving now. Let it save. We open, do the same process for the other colors.
Yeah. So there we have to click item and do that.
Yes. Whatever we think we have to.
नाइटी भी 400 ग्राम है, 200 ग्राम वो जो पोलिस्टर स्पैंडेक्स है।
ठीक है, ठीक है, वो हो जाएगा टोटल उसका।
हाँ, ये तो इक्वल रेशियो वाला हो गया। नहीं तो यदि दूसरी रेशियो डालनी है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्लैक आपके तो जी 60% है, फिर ब्लैक डालोगे 60, व्हाइट डालोगे आपके 30% है, व्हाइट डालोगे 300 ग्राम, पोलिस्टर स्पैंडेक्स है तो जी आपका 100 ग्राम है, और डालोगे 60, 30,
Yes, please
10।
connect again.
वो कल किया था 60-40 में
एक बार ऐसा करते हो, वहां पे जाके क्या होगा, 1111 डलवा रहा था ना, वहां पे जाके
Yeah, click OK.
ओके या
ये मेरा ये आ गया माउस।
ओके
Connection.
Oh, you lost connection with it.
Actually, it was turned off. Connection हुआ करना छोड़ा।
It says it now. I don't know where it is. I don't think it would have got updated.
Okay.
Can you?
Okay, no problem. This is stage is understood. Now we have a question. Okay, 1 second. Can we
Connect again? If your connectivity to the database is lost, then it may not get updated.
Okay.
My query
Yes,
is supposedly right now what we are assuming is black and white proportions.
Correct.
400, and the polyester spandex yarn is 20%, say 200 grams now.
Okay.
Now we have a situation like black is 60%, white is 30%, and spandex.
Yeah.
So we create on the first fabric. We create 60, 30, 10, right?
Yes. In the Angular page, you have to put ratio. We have done it in the morning for the other numbers. I think DT or can you open that? Let's see. This one I think is there. The connection was terminated.
So we didn't save now. That's why maybe it's not there. If we save it, then we have to modify the data again and again. Huh?
वो तो हो जाता है, वो जिस स्टेज तक वहाँ पे सेव तो कर लिया ना।
नहीं वो हमने किया ही नहीं ना।
तो इसी कर सकते हैं।
वो पूछने में लगा था कि बीच में हम कर लेते हैं बेटर।
Okay, it got saved. Okay. here we have given
it
it as
got
1
saved.
and 1. Got it, yes.
Now this is 1 and 1. Okay, we have to
Yeah.
change it here, right?
Yeah, so you say this is 60, this is 40. This one we systematically will calculate, because for 1, 2 we have given 800. For the third row one we have given 200. So system will take it proportionately. So here for 1 and 2 alone you have to give the ratio. For
Okay.
800, how the 800 is divided between the row 1 and row 2, you have to give the ratio.
Okay. Clear.
Yes. So if it is 50-50, you can give it as 1. Else you can put 60-40 or 70-30 likewise. Yeah.
Okay. Done.
So we have done it only for black and white. So we'll have to do for all the other 3 colors. And then, after this is done, then we can proceed to purchase.
Okay, if we do it, no, okay, let's say the other case. If we do it here, what happened? Sorry, where is that fabric? Here, if we do it 1, 1, 1, 3, same thing it can be done, right?
Okay, as per system design, the same yarn cannot be repeated in the in those here. If it is same yarn, then we'll have to just insert row and put the number of colors.
Okay, right, got it. Okay, clarified.
System design, like we cannot do much about that.
Okay, so now if we have to move to the next colorway, we have to do the items.
Yeah. Items from item master, insert fabric.
So we choose that, probably navy white. Earlier it was black white, it will be now navy white.
Navy white. You can use the same positions,
process.
like all position for the top and all position bottom for the bottom.
Right, so same process.
Correct.
Okay, so this is all done. Okay, I think. उसके बाद आप परचेज कर रहे थे वो ओके सॉर्ट आउट हो गया?
हाँ वो हो गया था F4 करके उसके नीचे ऐड करके आ रहा था
हम आपने ट्रिम्स का करा था, आपने फैब्रिक का करा?
ट्रिम ने फैब्रिक है ट्रिम्स का करा.
Okay, now I think this is bomb is saved somewhere. MRP is saved.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Saved, na?
No, this already saved, sir. We did not make any changes here. Yeah, click yes. Are you okay with this item master, or you want to make any changes to this item master, sir? Because I want to go to the main database.
What changes means,
Like the
like
way
parameters?
No, the items in the item master. One moment, let me just pull out the item master and give it to you.
You mean to say from test to main?
Yeah, in the main database, I have not imported the item master as yet. Even the address also I have not.
Okay, we can still do more, 1 or 2 more trials, and then we'll come back. We'll do that.
Okay, then.
I think we'll generate few orders, couple of 1 or 2 orders.
Okay.
And then we'll go to that stage.
Okay, then fine, no problem. Right, sir. So next what? So what we did in the morning was we did the trims BOM and the purchase. Next we will have to do the knitting order, the fabric or yarn dyeing order. Those things we'll have to do. Can we do that tomorrow?
Can you just show me a quick glance of it?
Okay. So BOM is done here. After this, you can have an approval processing. If required, you can have an approval for BOM. If not, you can, of course, it is the merchandiser who does all this, so there is no need for an approval. Directly, you can go to purchase. We have already done the material purchase part of it. I will show you the service purchase, which is called the process order. And stitching orders are all.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The voice is,
I lost connection.
yeah. It's we can hear you now. Hello? Hello? Eh?
Are you getting a request?
Wait.
Okay.
No, it's not yet.
I'll connect again now.
Please.
So whatever service purchase orders, be it knitting service or knitting order or fabric dyeing order, those orders come under process order. So
Okay.
if it is with respect to one order in the system, like say D3, D4, so it will be regular. If D3 and D4 have the same process and you want to club it together, then you can make a combined process order. Let's just see the regular part alone. Regular. Okay, it's already open. Regular under add. So the orders are, I have D2, D3. Okay. So under D2, let's say I want to make a knitting PO. So I will select order D2 and knitting process. So I select knitting. If I'm going to do it within unit, I can select unit. If I'm going to do it with a vendor, I have to select vendor and choose the vendor, knitting vendor. Okay, knitting vendor is not chosen. I mean, it's not updated.
Okay, we'll do that later. Just we can within a unit too.
No, it's just another 1 minute. Vendor. Can tell me a knitting vendor name? Adi Knit Fab. Okay. So here, I don't know. Here we have to choose. It should be fabric knitting, not metal purchase. Address. Okay. Oh my God.
जो स्टेट वगैरह मांगेगी.
So process order. Fabric knitting D2. Vendor Adi Knit Fab. And I press F4. So it will list after knitting is the finished goods. So I am supposed to get these fabrics after knitting. Fabric 1, fabric 2. So I've chosen 2 fabrics. The other fabrics, maybe I'll do it with some other vendor.
So this is by double click, it goes down, right?
Yeah, it gets copied down. Okay. Now I press F4 again. That information from the BOM goes up. Then I click on the raw materials. Already the raw materials and the finished goods are decided in the bill of material. So that will get, it will show for these 2 fabrics, which are the yarns that are required and the respective kgs. Okay. Now, once that is done, we can go to the finished goods. So 5 yarns required for 2 fabrics. I can go to finished goods. I can say my process price is, let's say, 25. How much is the knitting rate per kg?
So let's say 25. Okay.
25. So I just give 25. Okay. And of course, I have not created a tax structure for this. If tax is there, then I can select that. And of course, HSN code is required. HSN code or the service code is required. Let's click OK. Save yes. It's without the service code. Okay, so if I need to see, I can take a print or a preview. So this is my knitting order. Here the company logo will come after we put the image. Knitting order given to RD Knit Fab. We'll have to put the postal address in the address module properly so that it will come here. And then this is a knitting order. A knitting order with respect to order number D2, style SBJ01, buyer order numbers. Finished goods is this the finished goods. Fabric knitted. So what is the raw material that I am giving? Knitting price is 25 rupees on the finished goods. So total amount is so much.
Okay, now my question is, okay, supposedly we have created this. Can I create a new or same knitting order from the same, regenerate the same order again or no?
No, if the quantities are exhausted for that order, then that PO is closed. Like you cannot, add one more order unless you give allowances for that.
Okay.
So if
I have to do the repeat, then I have to give 100% allowance.
Yes, yes. Actually, it's not a repeat. You'll have to and then make a PO or modify the existing PO.
Okay. Now, for that moment, now it is booked, so that PO will not show up for purchase in this purchase order again.
Again, because the quantity is exhausted. See,
right.
You can see here F4. You can see estimated, ordered. Ordered, you can see estimated is 72, ordered is ordered, balanced order is 0. Once the PO is made, the balanced order will become 0.
Okay. In order, we have ordered 72 meters, not 40 kgs.
Okay, maybe here it's not showing, but it's like internally it is stored as meters and then converted back. But balanced order is how come?
No, primary was 40 kgs only. So I think there is some primary was kg.
Okay. Okay, I will check this. I think the display representation is wrong, but the balanced order is treated as 0. And if it's done partially, then for the balance quantity, we can make another PO.
Okay, now we have done the entire. So if we want, say there was color black, white, navy, mustard, navy, white. So we can choose which all we are ordering right now. We can delete, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, we'll practice this and we'll continue this from here tomorrow for this.
Yeah, fine.
The same way, and subsequent POs will be the finishing, stentering will be similar.
Similarly, we'll have to
same
make
step.
the POs for the stentering, washing, and decasting. All those we'll have to make separate POs. So it can be made either to our own unit or to the vendor.
Okay.
Do you have your own knitting or other units, sir? Like
both in-house also as well as out.
So we'll have to create a knitting unit in the address module. Let's say Biotech's knitting unit, and then assign the PO to that unit. Then, so that we can do it tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Right, sir. Thank you very much.